So guys, today I'm gonna show you how to prepare and how to make a croutons, right? Mostly croutons used in a salad. So first of all guys, you have to take a slice of bread, then you have to cut his edges. So you knows that guys, in a bread there is a square shape, right? The bread is in a square shape, so you have to just cut his brown edges. Then after that you have to cut in a cubes. So you can see here guys, I already cut all the cubes of bread. So then guys, now we will put extra virgin olive oil. So you can see lots of olive oil I'm just putting here on the top of cubes bread. Then guys, we will put salt here as well as, and then after that guys, we will put black pepper powder. So it's a very important, black pepper powder, salt, and then guys, we will put oregano. Okay, oregano also we will put guys for crouton, it's also important. And sometimes guys, I would like to let you know, sometimes some people, some chefs, they put chopped parsley or dry parsley. So when they will put, so its color getting very nice. So little bit more extra olive oil we have to put. Then guys, I have to put in a shallow tray. So and I have to spread it. So when I will put in a oven for roasting, so it can be getting dry, gets dry very fast. So you can see guys, I'm just putting inside the oven, and I will roast 150 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. After that, it's done guys.